Hi everyone and welcome to EMK's Coin of the Month. Let's check out this little beauty that we have today. It is from the South African Mint. I wonder if you can guess which series it is a part of. We do like this series here at EMK. Let's open it up. Oh, so anyone out there who is guessing the Big 5 series, you are correct. But which one is it? Oh, so let's have a look. Here it is, of course, produced by the South African Mint, as I just mentioned. This is the certificate of authenticity. It is the 2019 Big 5 1 ounce platinum coin, and it is the lion. Fantastic. So this is 20 Rand. This is a proof coin. And the mintage here is only 500 pieces worldwide. That's fantastic. So let's see if we can get this guy out. Oh no, he doesn't want to come out. Oh no, just a little bit stubborn, not too much. Now I do love these coins, how they're designed. Let's start, of course, with the obverse. This is one of the standout designs for me for obverses. 2 lions there, and of course if you line up those coins you just continue to have a whole pride of lions. Excellent. So there we can see the 20 Rand there and the detail in the lions. I might just take it out of the capsule so we can get a better look, because there's so much details put into these coins. Here we go. Oh, phenomenal. Just breathtaking. Look at the whiskers. That is just wonderfully, wonderfully produced. Now, of course, on the obverse of the coin, we have a massive lion, magnificent mane there. Just stunning. These really are high quality coins. And this is one of EMK's top purchases this month on the website. It is, of course, our coin of the month. So that's the lion. It's part of the Big 5 series, which is made up of the elephant, the rhinoceros, the leopard, the buffalo, and of course, the king himself, the lion. So if you've got interest to have a look at these coins, all the rest of the set, do check out our website.